Good morning, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode. I apologize for the wind. I'm dealing with this, and you folks have to deal with it too. I'm just kidding. It is incredibly breezy. It is November 7th, and I'm letting my 36-inch warm up behind me because we have a couple leaf cleanups going on today. I'm not sure if I'll even need that mower, but might as well get it warmed up. So I'm gonna get that one warmed up. Also, by the way, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Mitchell from Alpine Lawn Services. We're located here in Southwest Missouri and the Joplin area. So thank you guys for clicking on this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna get this guy loaded up. I hope you guys check out the video of me installing this bagger and putting it to work. The videos are gonna be coming of me using this thing quite often. It's going to be an awesome fall season. We've got 5 or 6 weeks of it left to go, so it's going to be a lot of fun. And grass started growing back here. I know it doesn't seem like it, but everything was completely dead. All of a sudden, temperatures go up to 70, 75 for about a week. We get a couple days of rain. Grass is growing back. I've gotten a couple calls about people asking me to come mow again. It's just if this season could get any weirder, I really don't think so. But anyways, I'm gonna stop blabbing because I got a lot to do today. I have the mulching blades still on my big mower, and this is actually a question I asked you guys a couple of episodes ago. Comment below, do you guys leave mulching blades on your machine while you have your bagger on, or do you take them off and you put the regular blades back on? I've been told both ways, so let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I'm gonna go ahead and get those suckers put on there, take the mulch blades off, with the regular blades back on, and we're gonna go get some gas and get the day started. It is Monday. Happy Monday, and let's all have a great week, folks. Let's go. No. All right, all done with these two. I'm gonna go slap them on and get the other one off on the other side, and we'll get to work. Fits like a glove. $309, not too bad. $309's not bad. So as you can see here, we have the whole ladder system going because I'm doing a gutter cleaning as well. So I brought the big ladder, which it's only hanging off a couple inches off the back. I have the small ladder, so we should be good to go. Getting some gas. Mowers are actually still good with gas from last week. Had to get some 2-cycle fuel. Always use 91. And now I'm just filling up the truck. So it should be an awesome awesome day. Let's go and clean up some leaves and clean some gutters. Cleaning these gutters. The easy way. May not be the way everybody else does it, but it's the easy way. Quick and easy. So what I'll do here is I'll take all of this. I'll get as much as I possibly can in scoops. And I'll take it away. I forgot trash bags, so I'm using my bagger for my mower, which is working out just fine. And then I'll get back on the roof and blow it all out as clean as I possibly can get it. All right, folks. Well, I actually just got done. You said check out all those leaves back there. Just got all done. It was a huge load, way more leaves back there than I ever could have thought. So that's why when you do a quote, so I did this quote on this place, and then it went like 2 weeks. So that's completely on my bad. I knew that was going to happen. So many leaves have dropped the past 5 to 6 days, and it was easily tripled as many leaves there as when I did the quote, which I anticipated it for that a little bit, but not as much as what it was. So it is what it is. I got it done. We're heading to the dump site now to get all this crap gone. It's gonna take me a while to do it. I'm gonna have to blow it all off the trailer, and it's gonna be so much fun. But hey, at least the customer's lawn is clean. I don't like to do this, but I left my mowers there at the property. I asked permission from the homeowners. They said that is more than okay, so I'm just going to swing back by and pick them up when I get done here dumping these leaves. So I know that's not ideal. I know that that's not what I really like to do, and it's not something that a lot of people do, but when you're in a situation, you got to get the job done, and these customers of mine are really cool, so it worked out really well. All good. No more leaves. That's awesome. All right, well folks, that was a really lame video taking session on that property. As you can hear, the wind is just roaring behind me. Maybe you can't hear, but it's ripping today because we're getting a big storm getting pushed in for tomorrow. So as you can see, truck bed's gone unloaded. Obviously no more leaves on the trailer. We did that one big job today, had a couple lined out, but it just, I have a little bit of time, but not enough time to start and finish one. So that is it for me for the day. I had a ton of fun. I wish I would have recorded more. It's just with this wind, you have to move so quickly, but it's gotta be, gotta be a perfect job. And it's just sometimes hard to film and corral the leaves, and just, I'm a solo guy. I'm out here by myself too, so maybe if I had somebody, and I will again one day, we'll get some more footage of stuff like that. But anyways, guys, I had fun. You guys got to see how a solo guy does a leaf cleanup. This is my first year in business. I don't have a dump trailer yet, obviously, or else we would be using that, but I'm just going to keep doing this for the season, and we got about 4 or 5 weeks left, and maybe next season we can look into a dump trailer. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Keep grinding, keep making that money, and we'll see y'all in the next one. See you guys.